Are you tired of your friends not knowing what you're jamming to on Discord? Learn how to connect Spotify in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open Discord settings, then link your Spotify account, and finally, toggle the display options. Let's get started. First, open Discord. Click the gear icon next to your username to open user settings. Now click on Connections in the left sidebar to see the Connections page. Look at the Add Accounts to your profile section and click View More to see all available services. From the list, click on the Spotify icon to start linking your Spotify account. Once connected, toggle the switch to display Spotify on your profile. Finally, toggle the switch to show Spotify as your status. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.